Yo, what's going on? Welcome back. You already know what time it is. It's feckin' Temu set time. So all the stuff arrived finally. There was a little bit of a delay because of the protests and fuel protests and all that going on. So deliveries were delayed, but we're here now. It's a week late. So we got a ultralight set, the Scar fishing rod and reel, and a fly rod and fly set. I suppose I have no idea how to use a fly rod. We're gonna try and learn that today with a little bit of Shane's help. So yeah, we're also meeting up with Shane, but first we need some petrol. Well, the downpour started, but here's Shane. What's good, brother?
What the f is this?
What the f happened, man?
Oh my
It just changed in like
it
seconds. Alright, here we are. This is our Scar Temu line, or rod. It's a 1.5 meter, so it's fairly short, lightweight, 1 to 5 gram. And our Temu rod, it's pretty decent. Have to give it a whack. Size 0 MEPS spinner, and back at the same spot. Hell yeah! Whoa. Only way to get down there. Now guys, I'm not convinced on this reel just yet. Seems might be a little bit big for what we need for this rod even. Just may not be. But overall the rod feels quite good. Like, it's quite bendy on the top. It's probably like a fast enough action rod. It's a size 2000 spinner, or reel. Yes guys, we're on. Oh, it came off. I mean, there's definitely good feedback from the rod itself. Like, it feels great. I think this reel is just either too big or not smooth enough. It doesn't really like to let the line out, especially on a lightweight minnow or spinner or something like what I have on right now. But the rod itself, well worth it, I think. €12. Seems sturdy. Very nice rod. Right guys, I have my original reel on the ultralight rod, on the Temu rod, so we'll try this out. I didn't really like the other one, however this one's a little bit too small for this rod, so I don't know. Hopefully it works, hopefully it doesn't come off on me. I'll try and hold it here at all times, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Anyway, we'll give it a go. If not, I'll just buy a new reel for this rod. Alright guys, I did a little bit of a MacGyver situation. I couldn't find my electrical tape, so out of the med kit I grabbed the kind of, I don't know, bandage tape or whatever it is. It's kind of like masking tape almost. It's doing the job, and it's gonna have to do for now until I get a new reel, because the Temu reel wasn't great. I probably won't use it much, whereas the rod, I'm quite impressed with the rod, so I'd like to keep it, but I just need to get a new reel for it. But yeah, for today it's gonna have to do. Now I'd say soon I'm gonna grab the fly rod and give that a go, try and actually learn. It'll probably be hard to learn in a day, but give it my best. Still trying to figure out this rod properly. It's very short. I'm not used to it being so short. It has a fairly nice flick to it. Actually got it across the bank in that one. Hey guys, I decided I'm going to put away the spinning rod, the ultralight, and we're going to move on and learn how to fly fish. So here's the rod. It's a Temu set. It's a 9-foot, I believe. We have some fly on there. I have no idea about flies. We're going to probably change it. I'm going to try and see what Shane's got and match what he's using. He knows a little bit more than I do. So yeah, we're gonna give it a go. Along with that, I also have some of these nymphs and dry flies. I have no idea what any of them are. I'm gonna guess it's kind of like a moth or something, but yeah, we'll give it a go. I got these along with the set just so I have something to use. Now we have switched here to this little nymph. Doesn't really want to focus, but we'll give that a go. Yeah. And another one. Let's go. Hi guys, we're back here at the same river as we were the other day. Now I did end up getting a new reel for the Temu fishing rod just to actually get a good chance to compare it, one that fits. So I got a new blaster, size 1000, size 1000 and a size 1 MEPS Comet. So we'll give it a crack today. I'm also here with basically my cousin. So yeah, we're gonna give it a go back at the same spot. On to the first one here. Great job. Now, what a lovely little trout. Now, there she is. Gorgeous little trout. Off she goes. Oh, the hot water is cold. Now, we're onto a tiny one here. Absolute minnow. Absolute minnow. I don't know how this little guy wanted to go for that spinner, but oh my god, he's so cute, so small. No, we'll let him go. Now onto another tiny one here. Honestly, you can barely even feel him on the rod, that's how small he is. Oh god. And he devoured that little treble hook. There he is. Off he goes. I don't know if you guys can see that, but take a look at this interesting fish. Now, that's more like it. Oh. Biggest one yet. Biggest one today. Gotta love it. Now, what a beaut. Off she goes. Yes, boys. Huh? A bird? Oh, it came up. Yeah, you can, yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please smash the like button, subscribe and leave a comment. As you can tell, the Temu rods work beautifully, absolutely beautifully. So we caught, I don't even know, dozen or more trout today at the river. Obviously the other day luck was just not on my side, but we got it done today. The Temu rod, the ultralight setup, works fantastic. I honestly think €10, you can't go wrong. Pick it up, it's not expensive, and it's going to be a staple for my ultralight setup. It's my favorite rod so far for ultralight. The reel, don't bother getting a reel off Temu. Spend the money, get a decent reel. I paid, I think, €50 for the new one, which isn't bad, but it changed the whole setup. I mean, it works beautifully. The fly fishing, well, I'm no good at it, but from what Shane told me, it's a little bit too stiff. It'd be better if it was lighter. I don't know. Take from that what you may, but I don't really know what that means. I don't know how to fly fish. I gave it a shot. I'll try and do it again sometime, but for now, I'm a spinner merchant. I mean, it's just so much fun pulling out 10 at a time. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like and comment. Let me know if you want to see any more of this style of content, more fishing, more cars, more servicing cars or working on cars, whatever it may be. Drop the comment, let me know. Cheers guys, peace out.